Hey everyone! If you've ever looked at your Git history and thought, wow, this is a mess, you're not alone. Working with main, develop, and feature branches is super common, but if you're not careful, it can turn into a spaghetti nightmare real fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take that tangled feature branch, clean it up with a rebase, and get it ready for a clean merge into main. We'll cover how Git Rebase works, how to use interactive rebase to squash commits, and we'll do it all hands-on, so you can follow along step by step. Let's set the scene. You've got 3 branches: main, develop, and your own feature. Main is your production code. Develop is where the team's building the next release. And feature? That's where you've been experimenting, fixing bugs, adding features, maybe even a few fixed typo commits you'd rather forget. Let's say you started working on your feature branch a while ago, back when the develop branch only had 2 commits, A and B, shown here as green circles. Since then, you've made several changes, added new features, maybe fixed some bugs, and your feature branch now has a few commits of its own, C, D, and E, which you can see here as blue circles. But while you were working, your teammates also kept pushing new updates to develop like F and G, so now your feature branch is behind. It's based on an older version of the code. So how do you fix this? You want your feature branch to catch up, to include all the latest updates from develop, but still keep your own work on top. That's where rebasing comes in. First, you switch to your feature branch. That's what Git checkout feature does. Then, you run Git Rebase develop. That tells Git, take my work, replay it on top of the latest code from develop. Behind the scenes, Git lifts your commits, updates the base, and reapplies your changes, all in a clean, linear sequence. Take a look at the visual. It's like saying, let's pretend I started this feature after all the latest team changes were already in place. No forks, no messy merges, just clean history. Heads up, only rebase branches you're working on alone, or after checking with your team. Rebase rewrites history, so be careful not to break shared work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more clear and practical Git tips. Got questions or want a deep dive on a specific topic? Drop a comment below. I read them all. Thanks for watching.